Well, here's my Kit Fox on puddle jumper amphib floats. The first thing I wanted to do was to get rid of all the manual operation in raising and lowering the gear. So what I did initially was I installed electric door locks from a car to open and close, to lock and unlock the gear. I have mounted a toggle switch on the instrument panel, which I just work up and down, and I'll show you what happens when I do so. And this will shoot the plate out and lock the gear down once it's down, and I just hit it. That locks it, unlocks it. I don't know that you can see it very well. I'll get up a little higher. We may see it here better. See the plate come out and in. So that locks the gear. The second thing to raise and lower, rather than a Johnson bar, I put a worm gear system in here. And there's really three parts to it. The worm gear itself, which has a throw of 8 inches. And then there's, on the instrument panel, there is a control unit you can see there with 3 buttons on it. And these are programmable retraction and extensions. And I use one, hit the 1 button, and it pulls the wheels up. I hit 2, and it lowers them to a prescribed what I've programmed. And it works like this. I go to the button, and I push the number 1 button, and you can see the gear retracting, and it's lifted the wheels up to a set amount. Then, when I want to lower the wheels, I go to the control and I push the 2 button. Right, it's a little hard to do. 2. And then you can see, I'll go down here and you can see the gear going down. And when it's down, then I go back and I hit the lock and lock it. And so it's all automated. I have kept the Johnson bar for the nose wheel because it has to come up more than the main gear, but now it's a 2-finger operation for raising it. And the whole system now is very slick. I can just fly the airplane and I won't have to be fighting and fooling with everything, and I've been got about 5 or 6 hours on it now, and I'm really pleased with the whole thing. So that's basically how it works. It's very slick and cheap. The worm gear system only cost $120, and it's very simple, and it has 107 pounds of dynamic push-pull and 500 pounds of static force capable of handling. So there's the basic system. It's very neat, and it works awfully well. So that may help anybody else who's thinking about automating a system. And you can get a hold of me at 250-223-8380 if you have any questions.